Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will attempt to answer a very important question that a lot of programming newbies ask. What programming language should I learn in 2021 and 2022 really? So to answer this question, you need to ask yourself some questions. Okay, so you need to answer some questions really, and the first question you need to answer is, why do you want to learn programming? Yes, so there are a couple of reasons why you would want to pick up programming or learn programming that would inform your decision on which programming language you choose to start with. So let's say you want to learn programming just for web development, for instance, then you need programming language like JavaScript, because first you need HTML, CSS, and then you need JavaScript, of course, and then the framework. So if you want to learn something, like if you are learning programming because of maybe machine learning or data science, artificial intelligence, yes, then I can advise you to go with programming languages like Python. But let me not really jump the gun. I'm going to show you exactly why and how you can determine the kind of programming language you should learn. So quickly we'll go over to the TIOB index, and then you see the popularity of different programming languages, and then you know exactly what you want to go for and why you are going for that particular programming language. So let's head over to my computer and let's see what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're currently on my computer, and I would simply just type the TIOB index right here. Okay, and of course tiob.com, that's the TIOB index. So if I go down here, you see that I have so Python, okay, September headline, Python is about to take over top position. So if I go over here, these are the popularities of programming languages, how popular they are, and you can see C is of course the first most popular programming language, and you have Python, which is the second one, and then you have Java, C++, C#, Visual Basic, JavaScript, and so on and so forth. So how do they come about this? Now, this programming language, they check things like Google Trends, check things in the industry, and see really what the demand is saying and how people are using different programming language, and then people, they come about this list. Okay, so this is one list you can trust. If you don't trust this, you of course you can also do the Google Trends. Okay, so you can do Google Trends right here. So I'll just open up Google Trends and I will just type some programming language. For example, let's see a programming language like PHP. Okay, so if you look at a programming language like PHP, you see what is happening, but let's compare it to a programming language like JavaScript, for instance, and then let's see. Okay, so you see PHP, JavaScript, you see how they're doing, and then let's add another comparison to this, and that comparison is going to be Python, and you see exactly how Python just comes in, and you see Python is way up here, JavaScript is down here, and then PHP, of course. So let's also do one more comparison, and that comparison is going to be Visual Basic. So Visual Basic, for instance, and you can see Visual Basic is the green one, and you can see Visual Basic is down here. So I wouldn't advise you to go and start learning a programming language like Visual Basic, for instance. My advice would be go with what is popular, okay, and what is in vogue right now. And you can see Python is the most popular among these languages, and you can actually use Python for things like machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, web development using Django or Flask, and game development as well. So what am I saying here? Now you can actually start with Python and then develop your skill and just learn other programming language from there. Now what is interesting about this is that we already have a Python course in this channel that actually takes you from beginner, okay, to advanced Python level. So if you want to really learn Python, you can check the description link for the Python playlist, and then you can start learning Python. Now, one more thing you can do for me on this channel, if you know you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, because we are also going to dish out more programming videos, more tutorials for you, okay, on this channel. So thank you for watching this one, guys. I hope this was helpful. Drop your comments below. I'll be here to answer them all, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.